Welcome to this video tutorial on how to update image attributes on your entire WordPress website in just one click. We know how time-consuming it can be to manually add image attributes like image title, alt text, caption, and description to each image on your website. That's why we'll be introducing you to a tool that can save you a lot of time and effort. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to automatically add image attributes from the image file name for new uploads, and how to update the attributes for all existing images on your website in just one click. With this tool, you can ensure that your website is optimized for search engines and improves accessibility for users with screen readers. First, go to the plugin settings and search for the plugin called Auto Image Attributes from file name. Then install it. Select General Settings. Select image attributes that should be automatically generated when you upload a new image. These selected characters will be removed from file name text before using them as image attributes. Run this bulk updater to update image title, caption, description, and alt text for all images. You can view all the added image attributes, such as image title, alt text, caption, and description, directly from the image file name. See how Image Attributes Pro looks under the hood. With the Image Attributes Pro Bulk Updater, you can set the image file name as image title, caption, description, and alt text, after removing hyphens and underscores from the file name. Update any number of images in your media library in one click. Update image title and alt text for images inserted into posts and custom post types. Fine-tune all settings. Please subscribe to our channel for more plugin reviews like this. Thank you.